Why does a circle have 360 degrees? Why not 100 degree or 400 degree? The story began thousands of years ago with ancient Babylonian astronomers. They noticed that after about 360 days, the sun appeared in the same position in the sky again. Later they realized the year was actually around 365 days. They also used a base 60 system, and 360 could be divided by many numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, and more. This is why today we also have 60 seconds in a minute, 60 minutes in an hour, and 360 degrees in a circle. Now you know why a circle has 360 degrees.